Having a 5th floor view is all fun and games until you have to walk up 5 flights of stairs. Am I right? No, I am not right. Because here in the US, most buildings call the ground floor the 1st floor, and there are only 4 flights of stairs between the 1st and 5th floors. If this seems obvious to you, congratulations! You've avoided an error that's so common it has its own Wikipedia page. The off by 1 error happens all the time in coding, especially if you're switching between languages like Python, which indexes starting at 0, and R, which indexes starting at 1. But hopefully finding that bug won't take you 36 years. That's how long it took the Roman Empire to realize that they added the leap year in the wrong place when they started using the Julian calendar. They were adding the extra day at the start of the 4th year instead of at the end, so they ended up with 3 extra days that it took 12 years of no leap years in order to undo. Now, one of the most common off by 1 errors is the fence post problem. If you're building a fence that's 10 feet long and you want posts every 2 feet, how many posts will you need? By now, hopefully you're counting carefully and you realize that although we would have 5 sections, we need 1 extra post to finish off the fence. And even if you're not a landscaper, you faced the fence fiasco. For a 4-night trip, you need 5 days of clothes. A 10-year-old is in their 11th year. A 7-day free trial may or may not extend it to the 8th day, depending on the company's definition of day. No matter who you are, there are opportunities to mess this up all over the place. But would I call it humanity's most common math error? Personally, I'm still on the fence.